When we were in the process of getting ready to build a home, we had many options that we were looking at, but I would say that when we were looking at their homes and looking at the different models, there was something like prestige about their craftsmanship that we just really enjoyed, where we're like, whoa, these are similar prices, but the houses looked way different. That we said, yeah, this is the choice. I think it's a very daunting task when you're trying to build a home, because you have so many ideas that sometimes those ideas can kind of get, jumbled into place, and you don't really know exactly what to do. Well, here you have the convenience that you have a countless list of awesome floor plans, but you also have the opportunity that if you do want to make some changes, they allow you to make those changes.
Right, and we were able to get the home that we wanted with all the little adjustments still in the budget that we were looking for. So it was really workable, and the benefit, I definitely think that the quality of customer service provided was really great.
This is now our second home that we have built, and I don't think that we ran through one hiccup.
Yeah, it was a really smooth transition. It was amazing.
I think one of our greatest joys was getting our weekly update every Tuesday on how our house was doing, what we would be expecting that week. It could be one corner being built or just one wall, but there's a sense of joy knowing that your dream is coming into fruition. And if we ever had any questions, even till this day, being 3 or 4 months already into the house, they're just instant replies. It's been awesome.
So what I would say to someone that would be building would be, don't be scared, because we wanted to build our dream home, but we weren't sure what colors or what textures, and everything just came together. They were so patient. They understood exactly what we were looking for, and that is exactly what we got.
This house is great. This is the dream home. This is what we wanted, and we were able to get it.